Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue on our trip to Virginia, and here I-75 North joins I-40 East. The highway retains the mile markers for I-40 through this concurrency. We begin at mile 84 on I-75 and then join I-40 at mile 368. We're in Loudon County, Tennessee. We enter Knox County, which is at the geographical center of the Great Valley of East Tennessee. Near the heart of the county is the origin of the Tennessee River at the union of the Holston and French Broad Rivers. We enter the town of Farragut, named in honor of American Civil War Admiral David Farragut, who was born just east of Farragut at Campbell Station in 1801. On January 16, 1980, Farragut incorporated as a town, mainly to avoid being annexed by Knoxville, which was trying to shore up its tax base by annexing affluent communities along Kingston Pike. Farragut has an estimated population of 22,282 as of 2016. We leave Farragut and enter the city of Knoxville, where we'll be for the remainder of this video. Exit 376 accesses the I-140 spur, which is known as the Pellissippi Parkway, which heads southeast for nearly 20 miles to Eagleton Village on State Highway 33. At exit 385, I-75 departs from I-40 and runs concurrent with the I-640 Knoxville bypass before heading north into Cincinnati, Ohio and beyond. We'll continue east on I-40 for a little while longer. We conclude today's video at exit 390. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com, and join us for our next 504 road trip.